Hey everyone, nice to see you again. So this video is specific to pre-calculus and business cal, and to y'all that are in in those sections. Um, as I talked about before, there's going to be the week at glance videos for y'all, so you can kind of see and hear from me my ideas for the week and what I'm expecting for y'all to do, like my goals. Now, as far as the class will be structured each week, I'm going to provide videos and lessons using my iPad, and so you can kind of see how the work would go as if I was writing it up on the board, and be more like Khan Academy style videos. And I'll try to make them as interesting as I can. I'm going to post these videos to YouTube, and I'll post them on each calendar day. So that way you can go through and easily find the video that I want you to watch and work on for that day. And then after the lesson, I will have problems slash practice problems for you to look at, pretty much problem sets that you can go through and click through. So you can see which learning objective and which problems that you're going to be responsible for throughout the week. And one thing that I think will be really good about this process is you can self-pace yourself. So if even if, say, the material that we start talking about on Wednesday, it may take you Wednesday and Thursday to kind of get through and get a good feeling for, that's fine. This is really just kind of a schedule and outline for you as you're going through each thing. And then I'm here to help support you if you have any questions, clarifications, or you just need more examples to look at. So go through at your own pace. You can watch them all at once if you want to. I wouldn't encourage that. It'd be kind of a brain overload. My goal is for each video to be roughly about 30 minutes. Some may be a little bit longer, some may be a little bit shorter, and they'll go by topic. So the first video that I'll have provided for you for Tuesday will be a review video. And I think it ran about 30 minutes because I recorded it yesterday. And it essentially just give you some background information. So definitely take a look at that, and then take a look at the following video if I've got it posted. Each video will be posted the day before, so everything will be online before 7:30 with the practice problems. So let me know if you have any questions with that. As far as assessments go, because of the way that we're doing assessments, we can do the assessments will be through Zoom and through the web conferencing. So we'll be leaning a little bit more towards the tutoring style assessment. If you would still like to do a paper assessment, I'll still have to do a video conference with you just to kind of semi-proctor, I guess. But you wouldn't have to talk out the problems or try to explain something to me if you didn't want to. But if you would like to then lean more towards the tutoring and talk it out loud and speak to me, that's also perfectly fine. And I think that's primarily, where we'll go. But again, we'll kind of see with what y'all want to do. And that's for pre-calculus and business cal as we're going through and doing the assessments. The learning objectives you can find under the specific module tab on PowerSchool Learning, and you can see what we're working on and what we've been working through. And then you assess when you're ready. I'll put up some suggested assessment guidelines like I've done in the past, so you'll know exactly when you should assess on stuff, and then we can schedule that time throughout the day for you to do it. So whatever works for you will work for me. And so we'll figure out a convenience for that. So just let me know on that. And I'll post again problem sets and problem set solutions just like normal. And so that's it. So if you have any questions for pre-cal and business cal, please let me know. And looking forward to get everything going.